If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, here's what you can do in order to try to fix these issues. So first of all, let's go to settings, and we're gonna start by going to more connectivity options, because over here we have airplane mode, and make sure that it is disabled. Sometimes we can turn on the airplane mode and we forget about it, and of course this is the reason why Wi-Fi might not work. If it's off and Wi-Fi is still not working, then we're gonna go to Wi-Fi, and first thing that we're gonna do is turn off and turn on Wi-Fi. It is a simple thing, and sometimes this one thing, this simple switch off and on, can help you solve this issue. However, if the issue is still there, the next thing that we can do is go to network acceleration, and we can make sure that dual band Wi-Fi speed boost is off. Sometimes this can cause an issue as well, so make sure that it is off if you have this enabled. And another thing that we can do is simply forget the network in order to try to connect again. So if you have the network listed somewhere at the top, we can tap on these three we can tap on this arrow on the right side. Then here we can scroll down and choose to forget network, or you can also go all the way down, choose additional settings, go to manage saved networks, and then you can delete a network that is not listed at the top there, but you have been connected to in the past. So you can delete it over here, and then once you forget the network, try to connect to your network again. Now if that doesn't work, also remember that you can refresh the list of available networks by tapping on refresh over here. Now, if that didn't help as well, there is one more thing that we can do, and we're gonna go to more connectivity options, and then in more connectivity options we want to go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth, and then we want to reset these settings over here. Unfortunately, these three are connected. We cannot separate these three resets, so you will also need to reconnect to your Bluetooth devices and make changes in mobile data settings if you made any. And of course you will need to connect to your Wi-Fi again, so if you reset these settings, you want to go back to Wi-Fi settings and try to find your network and connect again. Now if that doesn't help as well, make sure that the Wi-Fi issue is on the phone's side instead of the, for example, the Wi-Fi side itself. And if it is on the phone side, the last thing that you can do is probably contact the Xiaomi support in order to try to solve this issue. Perhaps they can help you find the issue, what is causing it, why you cannot use Wi-Fi properly, and professional help definitely should work as well. But that is of course if you are certain that the issue is on the phone's side. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!